Hello kids, today magta-try tayo ng mga bullet lipsticks. This one's from Careline. Ito yung kanilang matte edge lip bullet. This is what their packaging looks like. Retails for 125 pesos. And I have here 3 different shades. Sabi nila full coverage daw, non-drying, and has vitamin E. This is the shade Game Changer. Next is Dauntless. And our darkest shade is Iconic. They have a total of 12 different shades, but I only have these 3, so let's put it on. For bullet lipsticks, I only use dabbing motions. This is quite pigmented, and I only prefer a light wash of color. Try natin gamitin as blush. And lately, sa under eyes talaga ako nagpo-focus ng blush for an easy monochromatic look. Madali lang siyang tanggalin, and very moisturizing nga siya. It's matte, so you can use it as blush. Trying the shade Dauntless. Pink shade to, and yung nauna, very nude. If you're looking for a subtle pink color, ito yung wearable pink for guys. Also trying this as blush, easy to blend, and very comfy lang sa cheeks. Again, this is the shade Dauntless. And last is Iconic. Deep berry naman yung shade nito. Placing it sa inner rim ng lips ko for that vampy look. And magdadab lang tayo again for that light wash. Ito naman gagawin ko medyo drunk blush. And minsan talaga na-enjoy ko rin yung mga cool tone blushes. Para ka lang nilalamig, ganun. So far, I'm liking the Iconic shade. Pero kung safe choice, pick Game Changer. Ganito naman ako mag-gradient lip. Gamitin natin yung nude shade, Game Changer, sa buong lips. And then yung ating Iconic, yung darkest shade natin sa inner rim. Mas maganda yung transition sa lips pag may base color kang nude. And mas evident yung pagka-gradient ng lips. Na-cover niya yung dark pigments ng lips ko. It's matte but it feels very moisturizing. And here's our final look. For 125 pesos, sulit na to. Wala lang, aura-aura lang tayo para may pang outro naman. Don't forget to check the yellow basket kung interesado kayo. And I'll see you guys on my next video.